think you're not creative? Well, that's just a story you've been telling yourself. Because here's the truth. Creativity isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. Short pause, curiosity tone. Let me show you what I mean. Think about the world around you. The videos you watch, the songs you listen to, even this app you're on right now, all of it was created by people who felt exactly like you do right now. People who doubted themselves, people who thought, who am I to create something? But here's what they realized. Creativity isn't about inventing something out of thin air. It's about connecting what already exists in a way only you can. Let me prove it. Steve Jobs didn't invent the phone, the touchscreen, or the internet. He simply combined them into an iPhone. Shakespeare borrowed old stories and turned them into timeless plays. Even Einstein built on existing physics to create his theory of relativity. Creativity is recombination, seeing patterns where others see chaos. So how do you do it? It starts with this. Absorb relentlessly. Read, watch, listen. Fill your mind with diverse ideas. Because the more dots you have, the more connections you can make. But there's a catch. If you only absorb and never create, you'll end up drowning in information. So start creating, right now, even if it's messy, even if it's bad, because creativity grows through action, not overthinking. Here's a practical trick for you. Write down any idea that sparks your interest. Doesn't matter if it's a random fact, a line from a movie, or a silly thought in the shower. Then ask yourself, how can I connect this with something else I know? That's where magic happens. For example, imagine you love photography and you're obsessed with psychology. What if you created photos that represent mental states? Depression as shadows, anxiety as blur, confidence as light? Suddenly, you're not just taking pictures. You're telling stories that speak to people's souls. Because true creativity isn't about perfection. It's about sharing how you see the world. And that perspective is something no one else has. So next time you think, I'm not creative, remember this. Creativity isn't a talent, it's a choice. You just have to start, right now. Because your ideas, no matter how small they seem, might be exactly what someone else is waiting for. So go out there, combine, create, share. That's how you become creative, even if you think you're not. What's one tiny idea you'll act on today? Drop it in the comments below. Who knows? It might just inspire someone else to create too.